We have cryptocurrency FKVAC at SEC, head of crypto unit Rescience and Gamer SEC. This is big news for people who own XRP. We'll talk about XRP, its future price, and less important news today. As Rocio said, it won't matter how much we tax, cut, or lower the debt, it will never be enough. Which brings us to more breaking news. This is why it's so important to build new facilities. Cross-border settlements with XRP have already been tried and worked well. The SEC VV's Ripple case will soon be over as well. Big companies like JIP, HKR, and others will put $25 billion into Asia's emerging countries. It's kind of like an Indo-Pacific version of Italy's Mati plan. It helps African countries grow, which is great. Every country in the world needs a plan for growth. But if I could say one more important thing today, it would be this. It's not just developing economies that need growth right now. The G7 and other major economies are on the list because they need growth to continue. We are all faced with a growth problem. There is a big economic choice ahead for our countries, whether we solve it or not. There is 129% debt to GDP in the G7 right now. There will be too much debt for us to handle, no matter how much we cut jobs or tax rates. We can only get to this future of growth if we grow out of the present, but growth is becoming less important because we need to pay attention to our money. Also, it's getting a lot harder to do. Most of the G7 countries will have fewer people living in them in 25 years. People of working age will fewer in. No more growth will be possible than before. This is why it's so important to build new infrastructure, especially when the government and business sector work together. Building up infrastructure is a way to help countries with a lot of debt and little growth. Another interesting fact is that XRP is no longer tied to Bitcoin. This is clear when we look at how Bitcoin dropped below $666,000 and XRP went from 48 cents to 53 cents. If you are still keeping XRP, you can leave it at that. Another interesting effect is that XRP goes through the roof as $1 million in new funds flow in ahead of a repo vs. SEC ruling. XRP also defies the market slump by receiving $1 million in new funds for a second week as the ruling approaches. At the same time, investments in digital asset products dropped to $600,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 and investments focused on XRP support the trend. This is the second week in a row that investors have been very interested in financial products related to XRP, as well as in reflection SDG increase and confidence. Since the beginning of the year, a total of $17 million has been put into XRP trading schemes. This measure gives us some surprising results, like Binance Coin and Cardano. What's another interesting fact? Brandon Howes, CEO of Ripple, says that his company is working on CBDCs with 10 countries around the world. With XRP, you can send money from A to B or from XRP to $1,000. Ripple has put money into this project and is working with 10 countries around the world to make digital currencies that are backed by central banks. It's a stable coin if it's backed by the national bank. It's just that the government gave it out. Another important piece of news today. The SSC head of the crypto unit Rescience is aware of the Bitcoin ethics. David Hirsch is leaving the Securities and Exchange Commission CC after almost 9 years. He was in charge of the crypto setting hacking unit. Hirsch started working for the SSC as a staff attorney in the failed Fort Worth office. During his time there, he was able to work on a number of difficult and complicated cases. Hirsch was especially proud of the important work that the crypto assets and Cipher unit team had done in the past. He was given the honor of leading. Right now, the price of XRP is 51 cents, and the value of all its coins is nearly $28 billion. XRP also has a support level at 48 cents and a psychologically important level around 50 cents. I think we will soon see how Ripple XRP hits the 53.5 cents area because it is an important local resistance level right now. Then I think XRP will hit this second support level at 57 cents. This movie was about XRP right now. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and good luck.